विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू कवळेकार हांच्या आड भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी पथकान उत्पन्न स्रोताकाय चड संपत्ती प्रकरणात FIR नोंद केला. हाका लागून राजकीय क्षेत्रात हळबळ निर्माण जाल्या. या प्रकरणात भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी पथकान कवळेकार हांच्या संबंधित वेगवेगळ्या सुवातांचेर धाड मारून दस्तावेज मेळोवपाचो यत्न केला म्हण माहिती उत्तर गोंयचे ACB SP जॉर्ज बॉस्कोन दिल्या.
Taken a check period because the check period is a period when a dishonest person acquires maximum assets, maximum properties. So that period is between 1/1/2007 to 30th/4/2013. This is the check period. Now what do we see during this check period? Now during this check period, we have come to a certain timetable, a certain conclusion, and we have during this process, he has been called, he has been questioned, and we are not satisfied with his explanation. I repeat, he has not been able to give us a satisfactory reply. It is because of that we have to register this case. Now income during the check period, we have come to a conclusion. It is something like 8 crores 8 lakhs 16,139.
Can you repeat?
Yeah. 8 crores 8 lakhs 16,139. Okay. Now expenditure. Now this includes his kitchen and all those expenditure. It is something like 87 lakhs 88,700. So the likely savings which he may have had is like 7 crores 20 lakhs 27,439. So this should have been his savings. But what we have seen, that he has acquired properties worth about 12 crores 50,000 45 lakhs 256. Okay, so when you make a subtraction, addition and combination, a certain formula you add on, so his total disproportionate assets during the period is 4 crores 78 lakhs 58,471. Okay, so the total disproportionate assets is about 59.21% of his known source. This is how we have drawn a certain conclusion. 59.21%, which is about 4 crores 78 lakhs 58,471 is the disproportionate. Now I have given, let me tell you, that this is, we have given after giving him a very fair opportunity to explain his assets. There is something like 5 crores 50 lakhs, which is still a big question, though I have given him the benefit in this FIR, because he has said that he has got about 5 crores 50 lakhs through loans. Now, gentlemen, you all will realize if I have to even get 10 lakhs as a loan, the bank will ask me certain collateral security, but his explanation is, which he has filed in this thing, is that he has got 5 crores 50 lakhs as unsecured loans from a company. I do not know how companies can give 5 crores as loans. Still, I've accepted that, okay, this company may have given you. So we believe that these are shell companies in order to sort of cover up for the assets that has been acquired. Now this is not yet included in the disproportionate. Once it is verified, the disproportionate is bound to be more than about 200%. This is what we have said.
तशेंच विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू आसगांवकाराच्या घरा बेतूलय ACBन रेड मारली. केरळाची प्रॉपर्टी आपल्या नावार आसा म्हण ह्या वेळार बाबू कवळेकाराची घरकान्न सावित्री कवळेकारान स्पश्ट केला. आयडेक्स गो ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
केल्ले
बरं गाडयो बिडयो सील बील
ना,
अशें
काय सील करू ना सगळे चेक मॅटर ते सांगले न्ही सराचेर पयलीं फाटली 7 वर्सां साकून डिसअप्रोशमेंट एसेट म्हणून तेणी केस घातली आसा टायम टू टायम ते आनी सदां चॅकींग करीत आसात सगळे खूब जालें आनी आयज ते सर्च वॉरंट घेवन येयले आनी सगळे सर्च करून गेल्ले आसात
मॅडम ऑफिस चेक केलं केपेचे
हांगा एक घरा केला केपें ऑफिस आनी मडगांव ऑफिस तेमी एक बरोबर तिनी कडेन हें केल्लें आसा
खंयचें ऑफिस
मडगांवचें ऑफिस केपें ऑफिस आनी हे घराचें
बरें केपें ऑफिसान कितें हें बी
काय
मेळ्ळें
ना केपें ऑफिसान कांय ना सगळे आमचे सगळे ट्रान्सपरंट आसा तेणी येवन आपलें काम केल्लें आसा आनी सगळें हें केल्लें
मडगांव बी कितें हें जाल्लें
मडगांव ऑफिस अजून स्टार्टूय जालें ना तरी सुद्दां तेणी गेल्या मडगांव ऑफिस अजून इनॉग्रेशनूय जालें ना
बाबून आमच्याकडे उलयता आसतना अशें म्हटल्यार की आपूण आपले फूल हे क्लीन आसा आपले काय आपल्याक फूल कॉन्फिडन्स आसा तूं कितें म्हणटा तूं आतां पॉलिटिक्सान एक्टीव
हांव
आसा
तेंच सांगता की गेली 7 वर्सां जालीं हे टायम टू टायम जे तेणी कितें मागिल्लें आसा कितें विचारलें आसा आमी सदां कॉपरेशन करीत येयल्लें आसा आजूय तेणी जे घरा कडेन येवन सर्च वॉरंट घेवन येवन तेणी सगळे सर्च करून सगळे केल्लें आसा आमी सकाळच्यान आतां पर्यंत तांकां सपोर्ट केला सगळे
एसीबी एसपी हॉस्पिटल आणि एक केरला प्रॉपर्टी सांगली ती केरला आसा
सेम
तुमची.
तितूकूच आसा न्ही
आसा तुमची
हय
property?
आसा आनी ते सगळे आमी तांकां दिल्ले आसा 7 वर्सां जालीं ते सर्च करीत आसा त्या केसीचेर गेल्ली 7 वर्सां जालीं केस तेंचे कडेन चालूच आसा